Stripe radar blocking legitimate customers is one of the most expensive headaches for business owners. But you can fix this false positive issue in less than 3 minutes. To find out exactly what is triggered, log into your Stripe dashboard and look at the left sidebar menu. Click on the Payments section, then scroll down to where it says Radar and select it. Under the Overview tab, navigate to the recent history to see your blocked or failed payments. You need to open a few of these specific transactions to look at the risk score assigned by Stripe. In some cases, many good customers get wrongly flagged because they use a VPN, shop from abroad, or use a card where the billing country differs from their IP location. Notice the pattern here before you make any changes. Now, the important thing is that Stripe sets a default block rule for every account that rejects payments with a high risk level. To change this, move your cursor to the top of the page and click on the Risk Controls tab. You will see an option to adjust your risk threshold. Radar scores charges from 0 to 99, and it automatically blocks payments at 75 by default. However, to adjust it, you must have a paid plan on Stripe, which I do not have. This is why I cannot adjust the threshold and must use the default one. But if you have a paid plan, you can slide that block threshold up to 85. You allow more genuine payments to pass through. Now, that goes both ways. The clear trade-off is that raising this number lets more payments through, but you also lose a layer of automated protection against real fraud. Stripe shows live estimates on your screen as you drag the slider. So, look at the projected balance between recovered revenue and potential dispute volume before saving. If you want a safer option, scroll down on that same risk controls page to the section labeled Adaptive 3DS. Click the toggle switch on the right side to change it from inactive to active. Instead of a hard block that destroys the checkout flow, this setting challenges risky transactions dynamically. A real customer simply completes a quick security check with their bank to complete the sale, while a fraudster cannot. Once you choose your preferred setting, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. Back out of this menu to return to your main dashboard view. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.